Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at URMA. And here at URMA, we're always talking about exchangeable head systems and super precise interfaces. But what does it mean? I will show you to you today. So here on the example of the MX Diamond, we firstly assemble the tool, then we place our indicator on the face here to adjust the axial runout. After you've done that, you take your tool out, place your coolant disc on the holder, and after that, assemble your insert, and then you're ready to go. And now I'm gonna take the tool and place it into the machine. So to set the runout, the axial runout in your machine, you basically put here your indicator. Of course, you have to remove your coolant disc. Then you have 4 screws to adjust your axial runout. And what you do is you go here to one screw, check for the screw that is shows a negative value in the indicator, zero it. You check the other side and make sure it is 0 as well. Then you move on to the next 2 screws, which are 90 degrees apart of the last that you adjusted. You do the whole game again. You go on the negative value and tied it to 0. And then you're all set. You recheck your runout if everything is good. And that's it. I would highly recommend to only adjust 2 screws and not work on all 4 screws. If you overdo it, do just lose the same screw that you went too far. And this is it. So after you've done your runout, you place your tool in a holder and you assemble your coolant disc, which is secured by a couple screws. Put them in one by one. All right, after you have secured your coolant disc, you can tighten all the screws firmly down. After that, please make sure that your interface is clean. Then you take your insert, you place it on the holder. Take your screws and secure the cutting ring. Make sure to tighten the screws across to each other. All right, and the last one. So when you're done, you're already ready to go. As you have seen, it only takes a couple moments. And how is it going over there? I'm still working on it. Well, this is why.